welcome. You're watching CNBC News Now. I'm Tapsi Ramchandani.
But if you're thinking big news, big enough to go on national television, then you're talking about a whole new set of tools, starting with a lightweight but high-definition camcorder. Now, the first backseat technology we're talking about today is comfort level in the rear seats. AC controls, said anybody? Could you actually increase your coolness factor while being chauffeur driven? I suggest you opt for the not-so-bare option of carrying entertainment with you wherever you go. Entertainment that's like music to your ears. Power to carry your computer applications, your operating system and the desktop everywhere you go. Too bad this little USB stick wasn't around when Queen sang, "I want to break free." But what if you're in a situation you can't get out of and you only have your phone to make that connection with your beloved IPL? Well, first things first, the thing that you need to do is to set your computer free. And you do this with a wireless broadband router. It had it all figured out. It knew it had to meet the electorate, impress them and show them it cared. So it launched a fabulous ad campaign, promoted events like the India Fashion Week in Delhi and gotten celebrities like Serena Williams and Shah Rukh Khan to join its bandwagon. Everyone loves the King Khan and soon everyone started loving HP. Now, of course, with summer in full swing, trips to the beach and cold showers, it's easy to forget about melting glaciers. Yet global warming is a fact, as is the benefit of going green.
शांति रखिए।
भाइयों बहनों और मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, टेक गुरु के चुनाव स्पेशल में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूँ तापसी, ये है अंकित और हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं टेक पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया। अंकित, तो चुनाव 5 साल में एक बार होते हैं। हमारी जिंदगी में लगभग हर रोज हमें चुनाव करना पड़ता है।
Really?
Yes. कौन सा लैपटॉप खरीदना है, कौन सा कैमरा खरीदना है, कौन सा फोन खरीदना है, कौन सा आईपॉड खरीदना है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
और ये चुनाव सबसे ज्यादा कठिन होता है।
Cell 18 and Arena Animation present the Golden Cursor Animation Awards 2009.
Good evening, Tapsi.
Good evening.
Tapsi, am I going blind? Because I can't seem to see anything out here.
Well, obviously, Ankit, that's because of the number of stars in the audience. It's not every day that you're in the same room with an Oscar winner and a BAFTA winner. Let's welcome our 2-star guests of the evening, Anthony Christoph from Pixar Studios. He's art director of the Oscar-winning WALL-E. Now, AppTech Global Learning Solutions has been an instrumental part of the great Indian IT revolution. They've also trained hundreds of thousands of budding animators through their animation academy, Arena Animation. Probably the first thing that comes to one's mind when you say Ireland is Guinness. And my journey obviously couldn't be complete without visiting the Guinness Storehouse. Imagine spending 10 years of your life at a boarding school like this. It seems like a fairy tale setting or maybe something out of a Harry Potter book. I'm at the School of Falconry at Ashford Castle. It's one of the many adventurous activities that you'll get to do while staying on the estate.